Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat working badly in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and search here Snapchat. And here you can check your Snapchat will be updated or not. If your Snapchat doesn't update, then update it. After updating Snapchat, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. Your Snapchat will be work properly. If it doesn't work, then delete your Snapchat and reinstall your app. Simply press and hold on Snapchat and then click on remove app and then click on delete app and then click on delete. After delete your Snapchat, then open App Store again and search here Snapchat and reinstall your Snapchat. After reinstalling your Snapchat, it will be work properly. So this is the way to fix Snapchat working badly in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.